Welcome to this meditation from my garden here in Los Angeles. Today we're going to spend a few moments in meditation linking to the cooling energy of the breath, which offers a gentle invitation to response rather than reactivity, especially during these hot days of midsummer. So as you're ready, find a comfortable position, whatever feels good for your body today. If you're seated, place your feet parallel on the ground or comfortably beneath you. Bring awareness to your back body, your spine tall, shoulders relaxed, finding some space in the neck. Release the space between your eyebrows. And just become aware of your sensory experience, the image of the garden before you. The fennel, cucumbers, Swiss chard, parsley. Become aware of the sounds of the space. Bird song, the chirping of the herons, and the city alive with human activity, along with the constant hum of the natural world. Take a deep cleansing breath, drawing the inhale into your belly. Feel it expand. Your lungs fill, your chest lift and rise. And as you are ready, exhale and release. Just start to become aware of the natural rhythm of your own breath. Margaret Moore, Erica Jackson, and Bob Shannon Moran write that the word calm comes from Greek and Latin roots that refer to burning heat or the heat of the day. They say that to find a resting place in those contexts is the energy of calm. It's an energy that comes from connecting with and trusting the unfolding of life, whether on the most personal or universal of levels. And we are coming upon the point of midsummer in just a few days, when here in the northern hemisphere, the days are long and hot. We are also at a point in historical time when we are feeling the heat of societal change and transformation. Each day brings new headlines, new pressures, new awareness. We can be invited to react, but we might also take these as invitations to slow our bodies and minds so that we can respond mindfully instead. So then we might also connect in this moment to understand how our bodies move when receiving the heat of temperature or the heat of time. With your eyes still open, focus your attention again on the image and sounds before you. And just pause for a moment. How does it feel when you process difficult information? How does your body respond to heat? What emotions arise? What physical sensations arise? What happens to your breath? How would you describe your mind? Historically, midsummer is also known as the growing season, which is halfway between planting and harvest. Growing pains can be present, but growth can also be a time for celebration and wonder, a time for possibility. And as you're ready, close your eyes, take a deep breath. keeping the image, sounds, and reflections close within your mind's eye. Today we'll practice a cooling breath known as Shitali Pranayama in yoga. First, take 3 deep breaths, whatever feels comfortable for you, and just sit with this energy for a moment. Notice your breath, notice your thoughts, and then release. As you're ready, if you're able to, curl your tongue. If you're not able to curl your tongue, because that physical movement is not available to everyone, you can simply purse your lips into the shape of an O and keep your tongue pressed against the bottom teeth, so that the cool air will be able to pass over it. And as you're ready, you'll inhale through your curled tongue or pursed lips, just feeling the cool air enter your body and fill your lungs. As you're ready, close your mouth and slowly exhale through your nose. So you'll create a bit of a sound. It'll either sound like this, or if you're pursing your lips, so pause and feel the effects of this one round of cooling breath. And then as you're ready, we'll do this 4 more times. Deep inhale, exhale and release. 3 more times, deep inhale, exhale, release. 2 more times, inhale, exhale, release. 1 more time, inhale, exhale, release, and pause. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Take a few moments to sit here quietly, simply observe any subtle shifts, the pulse of your own body, the gentle flow of your mind. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the image before you, the gentle movement and sway of the plant life, the sounds of the space. You have this cooling breath available to you at all times, especially when you feel the heat of the day or the heat of the times drawing you to a place of intense emotion or reactive imbalance. And we can remember that this calm lies within as well as within the world. Again, it's an energy that comes from connecting with and trusting the unfolding of life, whether on the most personal or universal of levels. Life unfolds here inside our bodies, as well as in the garden and throughout the natural world. We can come to this space to invite ourselves to respond mindfully to those heated times, to those heated moments, so that we can move forward to a place of possibility and growth. Thank you for sharing this time with me, and thank you for taking the time to honor your mind, body, and breath. I invite you to rest here as long as you'd like.